Hello 18! Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking this video dahil nag-post at nag-update ang Billboard tungkol sa kalaban ng SB19 sa Billboard Fan Army na si Hilary Duff. Dinagsa ng komento, binulabog at binaha ang comment section ng Billboard sa kanilang post. Puro SB19, go for the win!
Watch out for her dark side. Yeah, she got some sharp eyes. See her for the first time. Never let her out my sight. I just wanna stay up. Look at you all made up. Dirty thoughts are seeping into my mind. I can't wait up. Ooh, she looks so good, got me straight in the mood. She read that room, she know just what to do. Moving that body, she dancing and shaking. It's making them crazy, she know how to move. She said she's ready to party. Let's get it started. Tequila straight out the bottle. She looks so good when she's sipping her model. I can't get enough. I need you. I think this is lust, not love. Cause everything that we touch gives us a rush. And everything that we taste feels like a drug.